Word problems on division. First one, a factory produces 1,56,240 nuts in 280 days. How many nuts does it produce in 1 day or per day? That is, a factory produces nuts, nut and bolts. 156,240 nuts produced in 280 days. But how many nuts it produces in 1 day per day? This is number of nuts produced in 280 days, 156,240, and number of nuts produced in 1 day is, if we divide total number of nuts by total number of days factory produced nuts is 280. If we divide total number of nuts by 280, the nuts produced per day or 1 day, we will get 156,240 divided by 280, we will get that one. That is, we should know for this table of 280. First one we will take in 280 table, 1 is not there, 15 is not there, 156 is not there. We will take 2. Now 15, it becomes 1562. Now we search for 1562, which is not there. Less than 1562 is 1400, that is 285 is 1400. 285 is 1400. After subtracting we get 2610. Take next one down and write here 1624. 1624. Now search for 1624, which is not there. Less than 1624 is once again 1400, that is 5 is 280, 5 is 1400. Now subtract 4220. So take next digit and write here 2240. Now 288 is 2240. It is there in this table. It's 2240. We will get 0 as reminder, and this is quotient. 558 nuts will be produced each day in that factory. If we multiply 558 by 280, once again we will get 156240. That is the verification of this problem. Now second one, 2,24,000 apples are packed equally in 896 boxes. How many apples are packed in each box? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2,24,000 ಆ್ಯಪಲ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ. ಅವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಮನಾಗಿ 896 ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ತಂದ ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆ್ಯಪಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಆ್ಯಪಲ್ ಸೇಬು ಹಣ್ಣನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಾಕ್ಸ್, ಒಂದು ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ದೊಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟೆಷ್ಟು ಹಣ್ಣು ಹಾಕಿದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಕೇಳಿದಾರು. ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಒಟ್ಟು ಆ್ಯಪಲ್ಗೆ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ಲೇ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆ್ಯಪಲ್ ಬರ್ತಾವಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತತಿ. ಈಗ ಬರ್ರಿ ನೀವು number of apples in 896 boxes are this many, and number of apples in one box is equal to how much we don't know. To get this answer we should divide total number of apples by total number of boxes, that is 896. Then we will get the number of apples in one box. Now we will divide 2 to 4 224,000 divided by 896. For this we should know the table of 896. Now we will start dividing 896. By this we will divide 2, 2, 4, 0, 0. In 896 table 2 is not there. Take next one, becomes 22 is not there. 2, 24 is not there. 2, 2, 4, 0. Search for 2, 2, 4, 0. 2240 in the table of 896. It is not there. Less than this one is, that is 2s are 896. 2s are 1792. 2s are 1792. Now we will subtract. This one is 8. This one is 4. This one is 4. This one is 0. Take next one down and right here it becomes 440. 4480. Search for this one. 4480. 5 896. 5 4480. 5 4480. Before doing this division process, you should write the, or by adding repeated addition of 896 you will get 896 table. Then you should start dividing this one, otherwise you will not get the answer or it is very difficult to divide. First of all you should write the table of 896. Next one, take next one down and right here it becomes 0 is not there in 896 table, and right here 0. Then take down next digit if it is present, it is not present, this is the remainder and this one is the quotient. So 256. If we divide 224000 by 896, 250 we get. This shows the number of apples in one box. That is, we have divided total number of apples by number of boxes. Then we got the answer 250. That is number of apples in one box. Therefore, number of apples packed in one box is equal to 250. This is the answer. The third one, a fruit seller had 2 lakh apples. He packed them in boxes. Each box contains 176 apples. How many boxes were used and how many apples were left over after packing? Here 2 lakh apples are there. He packed 176 apples in each box. How many boxes he used to pack all these apples and how many apples were left out after packing? Equal number of apples, that is 176 in each box. That one. For that we should divide. This is number of boxes required to pack 176 apples is 1, and number of boxes required to pack 2 lakh apples is question mark. If we divide total number of apples by number of apples packed in one box, then we will get the parts of 176. That is 176 one part denotes the one box, and how many parts we will get? No, those many boxes are required to pack these apples, and if remainder any persists, if remainder we get any remainder, that shows number of apples left over after packing 176 in each boxes. Now we will start dividing. That is 2 lakh by 176. For this we have to write 176 table. Now we start dividing 2 lakh by 176. In 176 table 2 is not there. Take next one, that is 20 is also not there. Take next one, it becomes 200. See, search for 200 in 176 table, it is not there. Less than 200 is 176, that is 1s are 176. Subtract this one, 4. This one is 2, 0. Take next one, after this digit 0, it becomes 240. Next one, 176. 176 2s are 352. So which is greater than 240? So once again we will take 176 1s are 176 and we will subtract. After subtracting we get here 10 minus 6 is 4 and 14 minus 8 is 6. This one is 0. Take next one down and right here it becomes 640. Once again search for 640 in the table of 176, which is not there. 176 3s are 528. That one we will write 3s are 528. Now we will subtract this one 528. This is 2. this one is 1, this one is 1, 112 will get. Now take this last digit and right here it becomes 1120. Once again we will search for 1120 in the table of 176, which is not there. So less than this one is 176 6 1056. 6 1056. After subtracting this one, we will get this is 4. 12 minus 6 is 6. This one is 0, 0. This is a reminder, these many apples left out after packing, and this is the number of boxes required. That quotient shows the number of boxes required to pack, and so number of boxes, therefore number of boxes required, number or total number we can write, therefore total number of boxes required to pack 2 lakh apples is this one, 1136. And how many boxes were used? These many boxes, total number of boxes required used is 1136, 1136. And how many apples were left out? Number of apples left out. Number of apples left out, unpacked. That is reminder, that shows reminder. 64 apples left. A fourth one, a farmer had 9,31,258 mangoes from a orchard. They were packed. Orchard means garden or mango farm. They were packed in boxes, 175 each to be sold, and the remaining were kept for the household. How many boxes were there? How many were left for the household? Here some mangoes are there, and these many mangoes are packed equally in 175 boxes each box, and so some mangoes are left out unpacked, and those were used for household. And now we are supposed to find here how many boxes are totally used to pack these 175 mangoes each in each box, and how many mangoes were left out unpacked, those are used for the household. Now for this we will write first data, then we will divide. So number of boxes used to pack 175 mangoes is 1, and number of boxes used to pack 9,31,258 mangoes is, we will find. Now number of boxes required to pack 175 mangoes is 1, and number of boxes required to pack 9,31,258 mangoes required is, we don't know, we will get that one. Total number of mangoes, if we divide by 175, then we will get number of boxes used to pack these many mangoes, that is 931,258 should be divided by how many? Number of mangoes packed in each box, 175. So if we divide 175 in parts, how many parts these mangoes show? No, those many boxes were used to pack these many mangoes, and reminder shows that number of household mangoes kept for number of mangoes kept for household. Now we will divide this one to get the number of boxes and mangoes left out for the household. Now 931,258 divided by 175. For this we should write the 175 table, then we will divide. Here 175 table, 9 is not there. Take next one, that is it becomes 93, also not there. take third one, third digit, that is, it becomes now 931. Now once again search 931 in the table of 175. 931 is not there, less than 931, that is 875, that is 175 5 is 875. Subtract, this one is 6, 13 minus 8 is 5, this one is 0. Take next one down and right here, it becomes 562. Once again 175 3 is 525. Take next one down, 375, search for 375, 350 is there, 175 2 is 350. 5, this one is 2, 0, take last digit down right here, and 258, it becomes 175 ones are 175. After subtracting we'll get, this one is 3 and this one is 15 minus 7 is 8 and this one is 0. 83 is remainder, this is remainder, this one is quotient. This is quotient, shows the number of boxes, remainder shows the number of mangoes left out for the household. These many boxes we require and these many mangoes were left unpacked. Those are used for household. Now we will write therefore here part where for the household, then which box? How many boxes were there? So total number of boxes. Number of boxes is equal to total number of boxes. How many? 5, 3, 2, 1. 5, 3, 2, 1. And mangoes left out for household. Mangoes left out for household. Is 83. This is the answer. Now fifth one. 13,68,000 rubber trees were grown in equal number in 76 estates. Estates means that is farms, gardens. Find the number of trees in each estate. Totally 13,68,000 rubber trees were grown in equal number in 76 estates. Then find the number of trees grown in each estate, in one estate. Now we will write the data. Number of trees grown in 76 estates is this many. Number of rubber trees grown in one estate is equal to question mark. Then we will divide this one by total number of estates. Then we will get number of trees in one estate. Number of rubber trees grown in 76 estates is 1368,000 and number of rubber trees grown in one estate is, we don't know. To find the number of trees grown in one estate, we divide total number of trees by total number of estates, that is 76. 1368,000 divided by 76. After dividing by 76 this one, then we will get number of trees grown in one estate. For this we need to know that table of 76. Now we will divide 1368000 by 76. These are total number of rubber trees. These are the total number of estates. If we divide number of trees by number of estates, then we will get the number of trees in one estate. In 76 table 1 is not there, 13 is also not there, 136 search for 136 also not there. So 176 ones are 76 will write and will subtract this one 0, will get this is 6 0. Take next one down and write here, it becomes 608. Once again search for 608 in 76 table. 608 is there. 76 8s are 608. 76 8s are 608. Now subtract, we will get 0. Take next digit down. In 76 0 is not there, write 1 0. Take next one. Once again 0 is not there in 76 table, less than also not there. Once again write 1 0 and take next one down, and once again it becomes 0 only. 76 table it is not there, so write 1 0 and this is the remainder and this one is the quotient. 1800 18000 is the answer. These are the number of rubber trees in one estate and these are the number of rubber trees in 76 estates. So we got the answer, that is number of rubber trees in one estate. Therefore, number of trees in one estate is equal to 18000. This is the answer.